there's a couple of things that I printed off on the printer for him.
Okay.
Alright.
You did excellent. Dr. Moore said you were a good patient. Yep. You can just rest and relax now, okay?
Do you want apple juice or Gatorade?
Apple juice.
Okay, I'll be right.
Good job.
Okay, just keep this leg nice and still, okay?
My throat's a little sore.
Yeah.
A little scratched up.
Remember they said they put a breathing tube in there for you, right?
I'll be right back, Mom.
Great. She's gonna get you some apple juice and that'll help.
I'm not going to sleep anymore. I'm glad I'm not going to sleep anymore.
Yeah.
Surgery's over. It's all done.
Yep. It's all over. And you did great. Your fenestration's all plugged up, babe. Oh, yay. Here you go,
I need
love.
you to stay laying down, okay? I'll hold this for you.
It's just gonna be a straw.
Use a straw, yeah.
Just like that. Yeah.
That probably feels good, right? Okay, let's take it in just for a minute. Just to make sure your tummy's gonna feel okay.
Oh, there you go, man.
Wish I could go my procedure.
What's that?
I wish I could look at my procedure.
I know, soon though. Right now we just have to have you lay flat just so we make sure that
Can I
there's
turn
no
my
problem.
Yeah, you can turn your head like that.
Probably feels a little bit cramped from being in the same position for a while.
They deflated your puffy bed. Love you, honey.
Too.
Yeah, good job. Tell us if you begin to feel sick.
I do feel a little sick.
Yeah.
Feel sick to your tummy?
Yes.
There we go. Feeling better, huh? Whoa. Yep. Hooked up. Got the monitors.
I'm tired.
Pee in a bottle. Okay, we got our room.
We'll go up there soon.
We're gonna go up there soon. We're watching Superman 2. And we ate a few fries and we tried to eat the sandwich. Too mushy though. Too soggy. Right? It's a good one. Thank you. Drink lots of water. We drank almost all this water. We're gonna heli on out of here pretty soon.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yes. But we're gonna spend the night.
Tomorrow.
Yeah,
Except I believe I'll be able to start walking.
I've been here since 7:30. Well, 8 o'clock. 7:45, somewhere in there.
15:02, so 3:02, so after 5:02, okay? Or about 5 o'clock. About 5. That's the rule.
Mom, I can't wait to get out of here. Oh, and Mom, I'd also like to tell Raj, well, show Raj the ones for this one of
What's that?
that always sneaks up on me.
Yep, that's your cuff.
But I'm sure he'll see you.
Of me being knocked out and
Either on the floor
waking up.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
we'll
Those
show
are
it.
hilarious, Raj.
Pretty funny.
Want to talk to him?